Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
In this video, we explore the landmark case of Navarro versus Cornejo, a high-profile legal battle that captured the nation's attention and provided important insights into the legal process surrounding allegations of sexual misconduct and the concept of probable cause in the Philippine justice system. The case centers on allegations made by Deniece Cornejo against actor Ferdinand Vhong Navarro, stemming from incidents that occurred in January 2014. Cornejo and Navarro had been acquaintances since 2011 and remained in contact regularly. On January 17, 2014, Cornejo invited Navarro to her condominium in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. According to Cornejo, Navarro attempted to rape her, using force to overpower her before her friends arrived and interrupted the assault. In response, Navarro filed multiple countercomplaints against Cornejo and her associates, including charges of serious illegal detention, grave coercion, and perjury. Navarro claimed that after being invited to Cornejo's unit, he was ambushed by her friends, beaten, and forced to make a coerced confession on video. 3 complaints were subsequently filed by Cornejo against Navarro. The first 2 complaints, filed in January and February 2014, alleged rape under Article 266A of the Revised Penal Code. These complaints were dismissed by the Department of Justice, DOJ, for lack of probable cause, with prosecutors concluding that the sexual encounter on January 17th was consensual. In October 2015, Cornejo filed a 3rd complaint, alleging that Navarro had raped her on January 17th and attempted to rape her again on January 22, 2014. This complaint was similarly dismissed by the DOJ on the grounds that it was an embellished version of her earlier complaints, which had already been found lacking in credibility. The key issue in this case was whether the Court of Appeals, CA, erred in finding that the DOJ committed grave abuse of discretion by dismissing Cornejo's 3rd complaint for lack of probable cause. Cornejo argued that the 3rd complaint should be considered separately from the previous complaints and that the issue of credibility should be determined during a full-blown trial, not at the preliminary investigation stage. The CA agreed, ruling that the DOJ had indeed overstepped its bounds and ordered the filing of charges against Navarro. Navarro sought relief from the Supreme Court, challenging the CA's decision. The Supreme Court ruled in Navarro's favor, overturning the CA's decision. The court emphasized that the DOJ's dismissal of the complaints was well-founded, based on a careful assessment of the inconsistencies in Cornejo's statements and the lack of credible evidence. The Supreme Court concluded that the CA had erred in its assessment and that the DOJ did not commit grave abuse of discretion in dismissing the 3rd complaint. The court also highlighted that the repeated dismissals of Cornejo's complaints were based on sound legal principles, particularly the need for a consistent and believable narrative to establish probable cause. As a result, the Supreme Court dismissed the charges against Navarro, ending a prolonged legal battle that had significant implications for both the accused and the complainant. This ruling underscores the judiciary's role in ensuring that only cases with sufficient evidence proceed to trial, thereby protecting individuals from unfounded accusations. The case of Navarro versus Cornejo serves as a critical example for law students, bar reviewees, and legal practitioners alike. It illustrates the importance of probable cause in criminal proceedings, the scrutiny required in evaluating evidence, and the protection of individuals' rights within the justice system.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.